Good morning, everybody. Myself, Ganesh, social science teacher. Today we discuss about lesson number 3. Let's plant trees. Class 5th standard. The name of the lesson is Let's Plant Trees. We feel very happy and cheerful when there are plants and trees around us. Forests have many type of trees. Forests render greenery to the earth. So that is why uh, we are focusing to plant trees. So that is why it became an important thing. So planting and then maintaining, that is also very important thing in our life. By planting trees, what are the beneficiary things for humans? Number one is they reduce pollution. They surroundings our uh, they make our surroundings clean and green. As green color is a soothing color, it helps you recover from strain quickly. That is why we the people of Indian people we go to picnic in monsoon seasons. By seeing of that greenery, the patches, our strains will be lost. And trees enhance the beauty and making your surroundings beautiful is your duty as well. And trees they keep climate cool. you know Trees keep the environment cool. They help in heating the heat. Their color is so much so that it can reduce requirement of air conditioners in the nearby place up to 50% if we plant the trees. See, nowadays due to urbanization, most of the people we are keeping to protect, we are maintaining some refrigerators, ACs, coolers, okay, to protect from the temperature we are utilizing them. If we plant the trees, okay, trees bring for us that cool environment, that reduce 50 percentage of ACs they are releasing very harmful gases like chlorofluoro, that gases which are damaging our ozone layers. So you have to understand that much of important is there from trees. Not only that one, but also trees they can control, yeah, water pollution also. And even we able to watch here the trees are there when the water flood is moving on the surface of the earth. Okay, that the workforce, the water, they remove the topper layer of the surface of the earth. That leads to what will happen, that leads to soil erosion. So if plenty of trees are there, if the trees are there, okay, they can resist the soil erosion. That is the beneficiary thing for trees. Okay, next, trees do not only absorb harmful gases to control air pollution but also play an important role to control water pollution. That one also you have to understand now. Next, forest should be occupied 33% of the earth's surface, but at present how much of the forest is there? Only 21% of forest is there. As the area occupied by the forest is decreasing, the number of birds and animals also decreasing. So if the forest is decreased, automatically that reflects on whom? Birds and animal also will be decreased. Suppose forest is increased, that leads to increase, yeah, birds and all living creatures can be increased. Not only that one, but also forest, if forest is declined, that reflects on whom? Rains, groundwater, ecological imbalances. As that Indian economy, the backbone of Indian economy is agriculture. Without rain we could not expect agriculture in India. So our rain, our agriculture system is depend on monsoons nothing but rainfall. That rains are depend on whom? Forest. Ultimately forest is the primary source for all these economic activities. So Ultimately, forest is very very important. So that is why you have to understand that forest should be increased. So next one here, some group of people that they come voluntarily and they are doing some volunteer organization. Then some well educated people voluntarily they formed one organization, that is Council for Green Revolution. The people belonging to Council for Green Revolution, they are working through schools in villages, cities to render plants to our schools. It is our duty to protect plants, water resources and environment. This organization has supplied plants for 650 government schools. See how that people they are contributing wonderful thing for our society. This organization has been conducting forest motivating movement. See, they are running like a movement. It's a wonderful thing that Nana, that we have to appreciate them. See, these type of people we required. These type of people are required for this society. They are enlightening our brains. They are educating us regarding trees importance. They are educating humans. They are expressing the views by doing of these activities. So they are contributing their own money and they are purchasing some plants and they are sending to the schools. Even see they gave the number 650 government schools they provided plants. That you have to understand. And at last but not least, the UNO, the United Nations Organization, has declared neem tree as the tree of the century. So what is the main objective of the lesson here? You everybody you have to realize that you have to plant a tree at your home.